Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Smith and today I'm doing a review on the GLAMGLOW SUPERMUD Clearing Treatment Mask. The key benefits of this mask is to clear your skin complexion, instantly clarify your clogged pores from excess oil and dead skin cells, and also to refine your pores, giving them a smaller appearance. You can't really see it that good because I have a white background. I'm sorry about that, but this is a sample size that I got as a birthday gift from Sephora. So I'm just going to jump right into the video. My skin was looking kind of clogged and I had a lot of like whiteheads, as you can see, like under my mouth is very clogged, and my nose, and I had a couple breakouts too. So I've used this mask before and I just wanted to come show you guys how it works and what I thought about it. So I just got done washing my face and I'm just going to show you my skin a little bit to show you a little bit more of the breakouts and the clogged pores that I was talking about. The directions say to apply a thin layer to clean skin, leave on for 5 to 20 minutes, remove with water, use as a full face mask 1 to 3 times a week. So here's a foundation brush that I got from Walmart. And I'm just going to use this to apply the mask to my face. This is the mask. It's like a runny mud type of consistency, and the smell is like a strong eucalyptus tea tree type smell. If you can see those clumps like in the mask as I'm putting it on my face, those are the teoxy eucalyptus leaves that are actually in the mask. So I'm pretty sure that's where that smell is coming from. It felt really good on my face, gave me a nice cool tingly feeling. So I'm just going to put this mask on my face and I'm going to come to you guys once it's all dried up. Oh, and I just thought I might add that you don't have to use this all over your face all the time. You can use this as like a spot treatment. So if you have like a breakout, you can just dab it on that little spot, or if you just want to do your nose or your chin or wherever you're having a problem area at. So as you can see, the mask went from like a dark gray color to a light gray color. That's indication that the mask is dry. I left my mask on for about 20 minutes. As you can see, like the darker spots on my face, that's where the mask is like going inside my pores to like clean them out. You see all those like circles and holes. That's where my skin was clogged up and that mask went in to go clean them out. Isn't that cool? Like, it was so satisfying to me. It's kind of nasty, but seeing that kind of lets me know, that the mask is working and going in and doing what it needs to do. So off camera, I just wet my hands and went and massaged all the mask off that I could with my hands. And here I'm taking a warm towel and wiping the remainder off. The mask isn't hard to come off at all, and that's another thing that I like about this mask. So here's my face right after I got done wiping it off, and as you can see, my skin has a shine to it because my pores have been refined. As you can see, my skin also looks dry. This mask is not for hydration. It's sucking everything out of your face, so I highly recommend moisturizing your face after you get done using this mask. But as for the mask cleaning my skin out and doing everything that it claims to do, it definitely did that. So I went to go tone my face and put on a moisturizer, and I'm absolutely in love with my skin. My nose doesn't look this clogged, neither does the rest of my face that had those problem areas. I'd highly recommend this mask. One con about this mask is that it is expensive. They have a smaller size for $59 and the bigger size for $79. I recommend it though. It's definitely worth it. I'm going to buy it again when I have some money. Like I said, I got this as a free birthday gift from Sephora. But I'm trying to tell y'all, this mask is really good. It's vegan. It doesn't have all those toxic chemicals in it to cause harm to your body. I would definitely recommend go picking this mask up if you have the money. Don't go broke trying to buy this, but once you get the money, please go grab this mask. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.